SVR,
in northwestern Arkansas, northern Sebastian County in west central
Washington
Arkansas,
County.
northeastern Lafleur County in southeastern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonanza, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Van Buren, Greenwood, Alma, Barling, Pacola, Lavaca, Arcoma, Hackett, Bonanza, Bloomer, Excelsior, Fort Smith Regional Airport, Jenny Lind, Kibler, Rock Island, Central City, Concord, Shibley, Braden. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 5 and 11. Interstate 540 between mile markers 1 and 14. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 52 in Fayetteville, Arkansas. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northwest Arkansas and serve Fayetteville and surrounding areas. The current time is 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time.